Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to forget Wi-Fi on this device. So first of all, you'll have to open your Google app, Google Home app, then go to this Google Home device, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can find the Wi-Fi for which it connected, and there's a button forget next to it. Just tap forget and then confirm it by tapping forget network, and after that device will disconnect from the Wi-Fi, and now you can connect it to another Wi-Fi, I guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.